Hey guys, we're doing an extra video this week. We're calling it, I guess, Set of Super Free Sunday. So, anyways, we got this 67 Chevy C10 Super Treasure Hunt pickup truck here. And I used to have this in my collection, and I regretted getting rid of it last year. So, since I started collecting again this year, I decided to pick one up. And this is a perfect candidate to rip open because the card is pretty trashed. You can see it's got a crease here by the J-hook. The card itself is warped. I think the card got wet or it was in some serious humidity in the Philippines because that's where this one came from. As you can see, even the bottom edge is pretty soft and roach, and even the blister's starting to pull off. So anyways, we're gonna free him off the card today. And you can see, well, you'll see it better in a minute. Anyway, so let's get him. Oh, yeah, it just kind of ripped right off easily. So it must have been wet before. So there's the emblem, the flame, and the circle logo for Super. And anyways, let's get him out. And I hope there's not any damage to the truck himself. And it looks pretty good. Actually, the tampos on this side are beautiful. It's got TH logo there, Hoosier Tires, and then this Z style graphic. It looks like some graphics from the 90s. Pretty cool though. The wheel and tire combo, the stance, everything in this truck is awesome. The cowl hood is perfect. I really dig this truck. This is my favorite variant of the 67 to 72 from Hot Wheels, even more so than the one with the adjustable suspension, the 69 from RLC. Nice detail on the grill. Just wish I had some painted stuff, but hey, it's a $1 car, so you can't be too picky. Nice tampos on the hood. The wheel tubs in the bed look really cool with the chrome bed floor. It's got a chrome interior, which would have preferred black, but hey, you got to deal with it because the grill, the bumpers, and the bed floor are part of the interior bucket. So not too many pieces here. There's like 4 pieces total, not including the wheels and tires. You got the base, the interior bucket, the body, and the window bucket. So as you can see, the tampos on this side are pretty nice too. No flaws really in the tampos. That's what I always get concerned about when I open these, because they are just $1 cars. So even though it is a Super and you may pay a premium on the secondary market, you still have to take into consideration, yeah, it's a $1 car, so it could have some flaws. Like this one has something jagged on the edge here. I think it's part of the body. There's a burr on the metal of the rocker, it feels like. As you can see, minimal detail on a plastic base, but it is rubber treaded tires. And this is my favorite wheel from Hot Wheels, the 5 spokes that look like Americans or Kragers. So really cool. No taillight details, unfortunately. But overall, a sweet car, and he's going to go right into the display case behind the OBS Chevys and in front of the Dodge Tradesman custom van. So it'll look good behind the van, both of them purple. So anyways, that's our extra unboxing for today, guys, and for this week. And we'll be back again on Monday, well, tomorrow, for our Mopar Monday. And we are going to unbox, I think, a couple of Auto Worlds. I think I have a Dart and the other variant of the Caravan to unbox for you guys. So we'll be doing muscle and family in one video. So be sure to tune back in tomorrow for that one. And enjoy your Sunday, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.